Hi, this is Caroline from WDBNK, and today's recipe will be roasted aubergine with some potatoes, and because it's goosefoot month, Chenopodium giganteum salad. So I will get the chili, add an aubergine, and here we have a Chenopodium giganteum. In young stages you can eat it in salads, and it has that wonderful color which was used back in the day as makeup. What I'm taking now is the upper part of the plant. The potatoes have been washed and cut in country potato style. If you want to eat the skin, make sure to take organic potatoes. For a marinade, we need some good oil. Here I have my spices. It is salt, coriander, some dried basil, thyme, and this is a hot pepper, a bit of yeast, ginger, and turmeric. Then we have some mustard and concentrated tomato, pepper, and agave nectar. Put some of the marinade on the potatoes until they are nicely coloured. I cut my aubergines in the middle and put some of the marinade into them. So I'm preheating the oven now on convection heat, and 180, 190 degrees Celsius. After 10 minutes, you just go and turn them a bit, and I will put on top my aubergines. For the Chenopodium, we go with a very, very light dressing because it has that really nice flavor and we don't want to bury it. So I just take a rose vinegar, 2 spoons, 3 spoons of sesame oil, a bit of salt and pepper, and that's it. Can take a bit of marinade to use as a sauce, some chopped peppermint, chili, and a lily, and here goes our salad. So let's have a look inside. This wonderful marinated aubergine. It's wonderful. And the Chenopodium salad. It's really good.